This is a single-story home in Lakes of La Cima with the space that everyone's looking for, with 4 bedrooms, a dedicated office, 2 dining areas, 2 living areas, and a space built to suit. Oh, and it also has a 3-car garage. Let's go and take a look. One of my favorite features about this property isn't just this huge kitchen, but it's got this neat little feature which is instant hot water, which makes it perfect for a Brit like me if you like a nice cup of tea. One of the biggest advantages of this home is its location. It's just minutes from the gates of Prosper for shopping and dining, but also has quick access to the Dallas North Tollway for an easy commute into cities like Frisco, Plano, and Dallas. I appreciate you taking the tour with me. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment below or reach out directly. Now, if you don't mind, I've got a cup of tea to sip and houses to sell. Oh, and remember, Brits sell best. Bye-bye.